Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1B, Question number 11, Advanced Level. Question number 11. Determine whether each of the following statements is true or false. If it is true, explain your reasoning. If it is false, give counter-example. Part A. If 6 is a multiple of a number, then 12 is also multiple of that number. Since 6 is a composite number composed of its factors and 12 is a multiple of 6, so 12 must also be a multiple of factors of 6. For example, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3, that are factors of 6, also 12 is a multiple of 2 and 3, that are multiples of 6. Therefore, the given statement is true. Part B. If 12 is a multiple of a number, then 6 is also multiple of that number. Since 12 is a composite number composed of its factors, so 6 may be a multiple of some factors of 12, but not multiple of all factors of 12. For example, factors of 12 are 2, 3, and 4, and 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3, but it is not a multiple of 4. Therefore, the given statement is false. Part C. If 18 is a multiple of a number, then 18 is divisible by that number. Any composite number is a multiple of its factors, so it is divisible by each of its factors. For example, factors of 6 are 2 and 3, and 6 is divisible by both of its factors 2 and 3. Therefore, the given statement is true. Part D. If M is the LCM of P and Q, then M is divisible by both P and Q. LCM is the smallest possible number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers, and any number is completely divisible by its own factors. Thanks for watching. So if M is the LCM by clicking the button below, then M is divisible by both P and Q. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.